Let's now look at some of the characteristics of a project that distinguish it from business as usual. Then we'll look at our definition again and see if our engineering firm are about to trigger a project. A project is a temporary organization created to deliver outputs according to an agreed business case. Business as usual refers to the day-to-day business operations that an organization carries out. Projects are a means to induce change. Well, by creating the calendar pack, things will be different from what it would be if left alone. Projects are temporary in nature. For instance, when we have completed the calendar pack, then we are done. So a project is finite. In contrast, business operations exist as long as the organization exists. So, we can say that business operations are permanent. Projects are cross-functional. They involve the bringing together of a temporary team with different skills working together to introduce a change that will impact others outside of the team. Okay, so let's look at the team. We will need marketing skills, input from sales, photography skills, accountancy skills for the cost forecast. I think we could say that the work is cross-functional, especially as we want to have the photographs professionally produced, so now we are even spanning different organizations. Projects are seen to be unique. The work we do may be similar to things done in the past, however, a project will be unique in some way. A different team, a different customer, a different location. So with our calendar pack, we can say that this work is unique in some way, especially as we don't know who the photographer will be yet, whereas business operations are repetitive and recurring. Another characteristic of projects is that they introduce uncertainty. Well, isn't that also the case with business as usual? Yes, it is. However, projects introduce threats and opportunities over and above those we would typically encounter. Projects are seen to be riskier. The PRINCE2 definition of a project is a temporary organization that is created for the purpose of delivering one or more business products according to an agreed business case. Well, our engineering firm will be creating a temporary team. This team is being put together to create our products, the designs, photographs, the selected paper, envelope, and the label design, and let's not forget our production cost forecasts. We will get to the detail of a business case in a later module. However, if we accept for now that a business case presents the optimum mix of information used to judge whether the project is and remains desirable, viable, and achievable, and therefore worthwhile investing in, we could assume from the information we have up to now that our small engineering firm has some sort of business case, otherwise why are they looking at the costs?